Hello everyone. In today's class, I'll be telling you about the eraser. Eraser might seem a very simple tool. Yes, it is a simple tool, but there are some tricks which will help you to use eraser to its maximum level. Here you can see your erasers. So what type of erasers we have? We have three types of eraser. Eraser tool, background eraser tool, and the magic eraser. Okay. So eraser, the first basic eraser, if you'll see, this erases your image. Okay, it erases your image till what? It just erases your image. It doesn't erases background. Now the purpose of eraser is to erase the background. Okay, now why I'm saying this? Because there is second tool which is background eraser. Now how this works is, when you click, it not only erases the image, it also erases the background. Okay, so as soon as you leave, the background layer is also converted into normal editable layer. Okay, so first one is your simple eraser, which erases only image, keeping the background as it is, whereas the second one erases the image as well as background. Okay, and what you can see is just the canvas. The third type of eraser is magic eraser, which selects the pixels of same color and deletes. Again, I repeat, the third type of eraser is magic eraser, which erases the pixel by selecting with the same color properties. Okay, see like this. Because this eraser selects the pixels of same color and deletes it, it works on tolerance. The more tolerance, the stronger the tool, it will erase the similar shades also. Less tolerance, less power for the tool, it will try to erase the purest form or the nearest colors. Okay, so this is with your eraser. Now what I'm going to tell you, very important thing about the background eraser. Okay, let's convert this layer into a normal editable layer, and what we are going to do is we are going to use this background eraser to cut the hair. Now hair is a part which is very difficult to select. If I have to do that selection with the lasso tool or with any other tool which is available, it becomes very difficult because it's very minute. It's very like complicated thing to do that. But this background eraser somewhat helps us to erase the hair or the background from the hair easily. So we are able to select our hair easily. For that purpose, what I have done is I have taken a photograph and I'll try to show you how to erase the background from the hair. Or you want to take the hair absolutely clean, and that photo you are going to transfer it somewhere else. Okay, for that purpose what I'll do is I have converted this layer into normal layer. Now I'm going to add blank layer and keep it down and fill that with the color. Very contrast color I'll take. So after erasing, you should be able to see what exactly it has done. Okay, see what happens if I erase this. If I erase this, you're able to see the background, that's green, which I have applied. Now let's start with our erasing process. Select the layer which you want to work on. Zoom to a certain level. Okay, now this background eraser tool comes with the second option, that is picking the color. Okay, so you have to select and pick the color. Now what we are going to do is we are going to target the color which we want to erase. Say white, so we'll press and select and erase white. Okay, so this is how it erases, but we also need to protect the color which we want to retain. Okay, so there are two things what we have to do. We have to protect the color which we want to retain, and second is we want to erase the color which is in the background. So background eraser tool. With background eraser tool, by pressing Alt, I am able to pick the color which I want to erase. So this is getting rid of the background color, this process. Okay. Whereas in the protect foreground color, on the top in the menu bar, we have to select this, double click on the color, and this should be in the foreground color. So taking the nearest tone which is maximum and can be easily worked out is, we'll take this. Okay, so okay, so I have protected a particular color. We need to check it again and again if we are doing it perfectly or no. Now the second process what we have to do is, we have to take the size of the brush in such a way that it reaches to the inner portion which is showing the white area, or which is showing the background. Okay, you cannot take the small brush and work. You can, but it will create another complications. That is, you have to do the process again and again in one go. If we have to do it, we have to take a size of the brush which will definitely cover up all the portion which we want to erase. Now we are concentrating only on the removal of the background from the hair, so that this image we can transfer it somewhere else. So let's start with that. We are not considering the body part which is going to be erased. We can do that reconstructed by copy paste also, or replacing the image. So press Alt, take the color you want to erase, and click. Okay, now you can see we have a white around the hair. Okay, so I need to work more on the tolerance. So just increase the tolerance or decrease the tolerance, and click and start. Now you'll see it's easily erasing the background from the hair. Okay, so we'll try and move it a little inside so these portions are also erased. So in one go I'm able to do it well. Rest, I'm going to erase it. Later we'll try and select this and erase. Okay, so this is also getting less. So that's how I was able to remove maximum of your white portion from the hair. Okay, so if you'll see it, it has been very clearly removed the background from the hair, and you're having the hair which is absolutely crispy clear. Okay, so this is how it went. Now rest of the color I'm going to erase it with the magic eraser, or we can erase it with the normal eraser. So this you have to do it. And with the lasso tool you can clean up the body portion which is having the white part. So this portion you can do it. Now you can see the hair has been clearly uh, removed from the background. Next step what we can do is, we can actually burn this or saturate it. So I'm going to burn it so we get all the finishing touch well with this. So I'll just burn the edges, and I don't get that haziness or whatever crispiness I'm getting of that white pixel. So here we are able to easily remove the background from the hair. Okay, so practice this is very important. This will definitely help you to remove the complex thing wherever you are finding it. All the fragile things are there, all the complicated things are there. Definitely you can try and use this tool to remove it. One, how to do it with the hair, I've shown you. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.